Google has recently launched the Gemini 3.5 live translate audio model, and it's absolutely stunning when it comes to translating live audio input. The main thing is its low latency and the number of languages that it can translate. I am really amazed by the speed at which it can translate the audio input and give us the audio output. So let's see how we can use this in Google AI Studio. So just search for Google AI Studio. We'll be having the official link, and make sure that you are signing in over here. Here select Playground and go to Models. Okay, in Models we'll be having here Real Time. Select it, and here we are having the 3.5 live translate preview. You'll be getting the same option if you go to Speech and Music also. Here we are having another model which is the 3.1 flash TTS. So you can also try that out. So now I will just go here, select this. First let's start with some settings. Okay, so this particular model is selected, and next we need to select the target language. The target language is a language to which your input language has to be translated. And the input language can be literally anything. You can speak any language and it will automatically convert that into the target language. So for this purpose, I'll be speaking in English and I want it to get translated into, let's say, Spanish. So I'll just go here, and we are having these many languages to choose from. Spanish is over here, and next thing is we are having echo target language, which means we'll be getting the output as an audio. So I'll just enable this also. And here we are having the start recording, which is from our mic, we can talk. And another one is share audio from our tab. In case if you're having any audio from the tabs of your browser, you can also use that and it will translate that also. Now I will just go with the simple talk feature. Hey, how are you?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Okay, I guess it's doing a great job over there.
Ok, supongo que está haciendo un gran trabajo allá.
So I guess it was correct. So now let me just try a different one. So to come back, just refresh it and you'll be able to change the target language. This time I will speak in a different language and let it get translated into English. Okay, so I'll go with English now and I will go to talk. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
What's your name?
अच्छा अच्छा, धन्यवाद.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that was a translation between Hindi to English, and it has nailed it. It has 100% done the job. You just saw that, right? How fast it's able to translate. It almost takes half a second only to translate a single sentence. With the help of this model, we can easily communicate with different people of different languages instantly and easily. Do let me know in the comments what you think about it. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.